Imagine you are working as a data analyst. One day, your manager sends you a data set containing 1 million rows of data. Your task is simple: analyze the data and find useful insights. But now comes the big question: which tool should you use to analyze such a large data set? In the world of data analytics, three tools are used very frequently: Excel, SQL, and Power BI. Each of these tools has a different purpose. Understanding when to use each tool is a very important skill for any data analyst. And this situation happens in almost every company. Businesses collect huge amounts of data from customers, sales, websites, and mobile applications. To work with this data efficiently, analysts need the right tools. Here is the key idea you need to understand. Different tools solve different data problems. Some tools are great for small data sets. Some tools are designed for working with large databases. And some tools are best for creating visual dashboards. Let's start with the first tool: Microsoft Excel. Excel is one of the most commonly used tools in data analytics. Many people actually start their data analytics journey by learning Excel. Excel works extremely well when you are dealing with small data sets. For example, a few thousand rows or maybe tens of thousands of rows. In these cases, Excel is fast, simple, and very easy to use. One of the most powerful features of Excel is something called pivot tables. Pivot tables allow you to summarize and analyze large amounts of data quickly. For example, you can calculate total sales by region, identify top-selling products, or analyze monthly revenue trends. However, Excel also has limitations. When the dataset becomes very large, Excel can become slow and difficult to manage. Handling millions of rows of data in Excel is not always practical. And this is where another tool becomes very important. So the question is, which tool can handle millions or even billions of rows of data efficiently? The answer is SQL. SQL stands for Structured Query Language. It is used to interact with databases. Instead of storing data in spreadsheets, companies store large amounts of information inside databases. SQL allows analysts to retrieve and analyze that data. Using SQL, analysts can ask questions directly to the database. For example, which product generated the highest sales? Which customers made repeat purchases? Which city has the most customers? SQL can answer these questions very quickly. The biggest advantage of SQL is its ability to handle massive data sets. SQL can easily process millions or even billions of rows of data. That is why SQL is considered one of the most important skills for a data analyst. Now let's look at the third tool, Power BI. Power BI is a powerful data visualization tool used to create dashboards and reports. Instead of looking at rows and columns of numbers, Power BI converts data into visual charts and graphs. With Power BI, analysts can build interactive dashboards. These dashboards help managers and business leaders understand data quickly. Important metrics, trends, and insights can be visualized in a clear and simple way. So let's quickly summarize. Excel is best for working with small data sets and quick analysis. SQL is best for working with large data bases, and Power BI is best for creating visual dashboards and reports. Together, these three tools form the core toolkit of a modern data analyst. If you want to start a career in data analytics, this is the order I recommend. First, learn Excel. Then, learn SQL. And finally, learn Power BI. Mastering these three tools will already give you a strong foundation in data analytics. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'll be posting more simple videos about data analytics, SQL, and Power BI. See you in the next video.